Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this beautiful blessed day? Today I'm taking out time to give thanks to everyone and your support. Yes, I am so excited. I will be sharing my love gifts, my birthday gifts, and also my Christmas gifts. And y'all, there's no gifts too large or small, okay? Let's get started with my thank you video. This is a personalized sign that my sister made especially for me. She has a YouTube channel as well. Her name is No Place Like Home with MsBetty. I want to thank you for my beautiful Christmas gifts as well as my birthday gift. Thank you so much. Love you and God bless you. I want to thank this wonderful lady as well. Her name is Lisa Wickerson. She reached out to me and wanted to support my channel. And what I did was redo my kitchen. And so I hope y'all enjoyed. I know y'all have noticed it, that I have redone my kitchen. I haven't quite finished decorating my kitchen. I just want to show y'all that I have repainted my cabinets and walls. I have painted them different shades of gray. And I'm just loving my kitchen. Like I say, I'm not finished, but maybe I will show y'all the final result one day, okay? Thank you, Miss Lisa. You have really helped me out with this one. Okay, God bless you. I want to also thank this wonderful, sweet lady. Her name is Mary Sims, and she said she wanted to do this for our family. And y'all, we hadn't opened some of these gifts just yet. We're going to wait till the summer. And I was wondering, why did we get this ice cream scoop, y'all? And lo and behold, look what she bought us. She bought us this Pioneer Woman's ice cream maker, y'all. Yes, and thank you so much, Miss Mary Sims. We have made ice cream, Miss Mary, and it was so delicious. Thank you so much. We love you. So thank you, Miss Mary Sims.
Thank you, Miss Mary Sims.
God bless you. I'm so thankful for each and every one of you, my family, my friends, my viewers, my subscribers, everybody that sent me out birthday wishes, Christmas greetings, and all that you do for me. I am so thankful for everything you all done for me. I want to also thank those that cashed out me. Linda Smith, Miss Dimple Boynton, Rebecca, Elizabeth Shaw, Michael Helvey, Sharita Howard, LaSonja Daniels, and Jay. Thanks for all your love and support. God bless you all. Here I'm sharing some of my cards and letters that I have received from Miss Daisy Benton, Brenda Castro, Lisa Wickerson, Mary Sims, Charlotte Osha, Grace Ann Allison, Rita Critterton, and Mary Sally. Thank you all for your beautiful cards and letters and all your encouraging words. God bless you all. I also want to thank this young man, Dr. Roger Eric Johnson, for giving me my smile back, y'all. Yes, I was crying, y'all, in this photo. Tears of joy. Y'all, I was so happy when he gave me a mirror so I can see my smile. Tears began to flow after I looked into that mirror and saw I had my smile back. I thank you so much for what you have done for me. You told me, Auntie, you're going to be cheesing and taking all types of selfies, and I have been doing just that. Thank you so much, nephew. I love you. Thank you for taking our time with Auntie and helping her by giving her smile back. Thank you so much. I love you, and God bless you. We also want to thank our church family as well for all your support. Our pastor and wife for watching our channel. Bishop T.T. Terry and First Lady Virginia Terry, and the entire Woods Memorial Church family. Thank y'all so much for your love and support. God bless you all. Before closing this video, I want to say once again, I am so grateful for all my viewers, relatives, and friends for all your love and support. Your love and kindness will never be forgotten. I will always be appreciative of each and every one of you and all you do for me. God bless you. Okay, y'all. Until next time, I'm gonna say, y'all have a blessed day and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
That's a hit!